the sun, cause he's a phantom, a mystery, and that leaves me nothing. Many times if you wanted to die, it's too late for me. All you had to do is get rid of me. You came to California with a man and